Good afternoon and welcome to Acadiana's news channel at 6. It's been about 2 weeks since the historic snowstorm hit Acadiana. I'm Parish Flanagan, your Salinger Parish reporter, and I'm looking into to see how much that winter storm cost the parish. Tuesday afternoon, I spoke with the director of emergency and preparedness here with the parish, and he tells me that it's adding up to be hundreds of thousands of dollars.
So dealing with the snow was a completely different ballgame.
The snowstorm of 2025 took parish officials by surprise.
We were preparing for an ice event, and so we had to change gears and figure out how we were going to respond to a snow event.
With nearly a foot of snow blanketing the region, the parish mobilized public work crews, calling in additional resources and purchasing 3 motor grades to help clear major roads, including the interstate and Highway 190 west of Opelousas.
Primary concern was opening roads so first responders can get through.
But clearing the roads wasn't the only challenge. In addition to heavy equipment, the parish also supplied water tanks to local hospitals in the case water service was disrupted and approved overtime pay for public work crews. They also took on the responsibility of providing warming shelters and animal shelters, as well as purchasing materials like sand to help clear roadways. Can you tell me a projected cost of what the parish might be looking at?
We haven't put together all the numbers yet, but right now we're just over the $300,000 mark.
The parish is working on securing federal funding, but they first need to meet a state and parish threshold of $389,000 before they can submit a request to FEMA. But this process could take several weeks. In the meantime, they're also coordinating with local municipalities to see how much they spent preparing for the storm.
And so what we're doing right now is we're putting together as much of the numbers as we can to reach that threshold.
Is there anything that the parish could have done differently, or is there something that you guys learned?
It's all learning when it came to snow because we don't get snow. So I wouldn't say there's anything that we could do better or learn from. This was a whole new experience for us, so I think what we learned was how to deal with snow.
Now, if you're at home wondering if you qualify for any federal assistance regarding any damages done to your home due to that snowstorm, unfortunately, the federal government will not be offering any assistance. For right now, reporting in Opelousas, I'm Parish Flanagan, your Salinger Parish reporter, KATC TV3.